Hey everybody! Happy holidays! Merry Christmas! It's almost time. And I can't get enough of these glasses. I just keep looking at you and giggling.
I keep pushing them up like they just slowly go over my eyes.
Well, we are excited about what's coming at Tailored Expressions next week. So we're going to keep this really short and sweet and give you guys a special invitation to join us on Tuesday for our virtual holiday party.
Shenanigans!
Yes! Lots of merrymaking. We are going to share recipes. We're going to chat about the holidays.
Yes.
We're going to make a craft together. And of course, you guys know we love giveaways, right?
I love giveaways.
Eek!
She did
I stole it.
You stole it.
So we would love for you to join us. It's
sure.
our normal live time, 10 a.m. Central Time. So this is your release reveal. We hope to see you on Tuesday.
Woo!
Bye.
Bye, guys.